Hey YouTube fam, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm taking an easier day today. I'm taking it easier on myself. Hopefully you guys still enjoy the video. I'm a little disappointed this morning. I had several really awesome videos lined up, and me and Tommy had went downtown to Dallas, downtown Dallas. We found the tallest building in downtown Dallas, and I dove it, and he dove it too, I think. Anyway, we was diving the building. And I got 4 or 5 good dives. Nothing happened. Everything went perfect. I had the footage on the camera. It was going to be an awesome video. It was going to be perfect for you guys. I was going to get up this morning and edit it. We went to the next spot. And at the next spot, I got the goggle footage of both of this. So I may make a video about it later. But it's not going to be the HD footage like what I had on my GoPro. But anyways, at the second spot, I was flying. I just started flying, maybe been flying for 20 seconds. And I was at the incinerators, and I was coming down the middle of them. And I was trying to come back up. And I saw that I wasn't going to clear the building. I had too much pitch forward. Well, I gassed it, thinking that it would lift me up and I would clear the building. But because I had so much pitch forward, it drove it straight into the brick wall and shattered my GoPro and corrupted all the files. So all the cool videos and the building dives and the incinerator and all the flying I did yesterday to make videos, I don't have any of the footage from the GoPro. None of it at all. The only thing I have is goggle footage, and like I said, I may make a video. If you guys let me know in the comments if you want to see it, I'll make a video about that later, and it'll just be goggle footage of my bad day or something like that, you know. I had awesome footage and then everything went wrong. Anyway, enough rambling about that. So that's what happened. So I'm going to take it easier on myself. Back to what I was saying earlier in the video. I'm going to take it easy on myself today and relax a little bit and just try to have some fun. So I'm just here at like one of my regular parks. You guys have seen me fly here a lot. There's nobody out or nothing. So I'm just gonna fly here, and one of my quads that I'm gonna fly is analog. The whole video is gonna be goggle footage. Sorry for the stuttering, guys. Anyway, the whole video is going to be goggle footage. And the first part of the video is going to be an analog quad. And the second part of the video is going to be a digital quad. So I got my Chimera 4 and a little Cyborg drone. Here, I'll show you real quick. It's the one I did that unboxing on. You guys saw. I got this little drone, this little guy all hooked up. So I'm going to fly this first, analog, on my DJI goggles. And just record goggle footage of me flying this around. I got a couple of packs. We're going to fly around for a few minutes. Then after we get done with this, we're going to switch to digital and fly my Chimera 4 around in HD. But it's still going to be goggle footage, but it's going to be HD goggle footage. So that's enough of me rambling. There's the intro of the video. I'm going to just fly around and relax and try to just get better at FPV and maybe release a little bit of stress. I'm kind of stressed out lately. And show you guys what it looks like. This is all going to be goggle footage, but I'm doing an analog quad and a digital quad in the same video. So the first part of it is analog and the second part is digital. Here we go, guys. Check out this flight. Let's have some fun.
to the, wow. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wow. Get just hit that mirror for that fit check. Drip coming down the waist, that back don't get wet. Daddy, you gotta chill, that's what my kids say. Daddy been paying bills, my pockets bending. Ben Franklin's. I get money, then get low, see what you thinking. Orange label in my hand, guess what I'm drinking. Ever since I dropped top speed, my line's been janking. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. I was with the grease, I was with the grit, leave you out to freeze if you're not legit, no. Tried to call my bluff, I was stacking chips, Mad years it was rough, now I flipped the switch, whoa. Big checks on my body, I'm not talking swish, no. Please just get from around me, don't you move an inch, Don't mean to be rude, but I'm not taking pics, no. You keep making moves, but never taking risks, how? Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. I Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone.